Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 12. So today we're going to spend some time in our inboxes, email inboxes, decluttering our digital clutter. On day 3, we talked about going through the FlyLady's website. You may or may not have signed up for her emails, but if you did, you know that it's a lot of emails. She sends a lot of reminders to remind you of the daily focus for that day and what you're supposed to get done, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. Today, she specifically and explicitly tells us to delete those emails. Do not get them and keep them in there because she's sending plenty more. So go in there and delete any of the FlyLady emails that you've received so far. Whether you've done that assignment or not, just get rid of them and just keep moving forward. Digital clutter can also be overwhelming for us, and she talks about utilizing the different ways to organize our email, but I wouldn't even get bogged down with that right now. I would specifically go in there, take care of those FlyLady emails, delete them, and as you get them each day, I would encourage you to read it and delete it. That's not necessarily natural for me. I don't consider myself to be a hoarder by any means, but I think I can struggle with feeling like I'm gonna miss out on something, or if I didn't read it, it could be something that I want to know. But inevitably, I never, and I mean never, go back and read emails that I didn't read previously. So I would just encourage you to get into the habit. We're building these habits here of going into your email inbox if you've signed up for the FlyLady's emails, reading that email for the day, and deleting it after you've read it. So that is our baby step for today. Head over to my Instagram. I'm posting over there constantly about the steps that I'm doing. I have a link below with a calendar that I made with all the 31 days of baby steps for you to print out and follow along. Subscribe to this channel as well if you want to follow along here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.